A very warm morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Shubhangi Shukla from Shivjyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, as in earlier class, we have already done the exercises related to the topic sounds of E. So today we are going to do one more exercise related to the same topic. Okay? So take out your English workbook. Okay? And open your page number 47. Kids, do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. Okay? Now kids, let's read the question first. So look over here. Identify the picture and circle the correct spelling. Identify the picture and circle the correct spelling. Kids, as you can see, here are some pictures and in front of these pictures 3 spellings are written. So what we have to do? We have to identify the picture and we have to circle the correct spelling. Okay, we have to circle which is the correct spelling among the 3 given in front of the picture. Okay, so let's start. Come to the first one, kids. What is this? Yes, tell me fast, what is this? This is bed. This is bed. And what is the spelling of bed? The spelling of bed is B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. So now we have to find out which one is the correct one. Okay? Is this the correct spelling of bed? B-E-D, bed? No. This is wed. Is this one? Yes. This is B-E-D. Bad. So we will circle the correct spelling like this. Okay? Like this you have to circle. Very good, kids. Now come to the next one. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, you all know this one. You are right, kids. This is den. This is den. And what is the spelling of den? Spelling of den is D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Now tell me which one is the correct one? Is this one? No, this is zen. Is this one? No, this is pen. Is this one the correct one? Yes, this is D-E-N. Dan. D-E-N. Dan. So we will circle this one like this. Okay? Very good, kids. Now come to the next one. Which picture is this? Yes, this is egg. This is egg. And the spelling of egg is E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Okay? Now tell me, is this one is the correct one? No. This is T-E-G. Teg. Okay? Is this one is the correct one? No. This is P-E-G. Peg. Is this one? Yes. This is the correct one. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. So kids, we will circle the spelling like this. Okay? Very nice. The spelling of egg is E-G-G. Egg. Come to the next one. What is this? This is keg. This is keg. And the spelling of keg is K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. What is this? This is R-E-G. Reg. So this one is the wrong one. What is this? This is B-E-G. Bag. So is this a bag? No. This is keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. So we will circle it like this. Okay. So the correct spelling of keg is K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. Come to the last one. Which picture is this, kids? Yes, tell me fast. Which picture is this? This is net. This is net. The spelling of net is N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Now you have to tell me which one is the correct one. Is this one is the correct one? P-E-G? No, because this is peg. P-E-G, peg. Is this one is the correct one? No, because this is W-E-T, wet. Now tell me, is this one is the correct one? Yes, because this is N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. So we will circle the correct spelling like this. Okay? Very nice, kids. Now let's revise all the spellings once again. What is this? Yes, this is bed. This is bed. And the spelling of bed is B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. This is den. This is den. And the correct spelling of den is D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Now come to the next one. What is this? Yes, you are right, kids. This is egg. This is egg. And the correct spelling of egg is E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Come to the next one. Which picture is this? Yes, I just told you, kids. You all are absolutely right. This is keg. This is keg. And the spelling of keg is K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. And the last one, which picture is this? This is net. You are absolutely right, kids. This is net. And I told you what is the correct spelling of net? Yes, it is N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. So kids, this way you have to complete this exercise in your English workbook, okay? In your English workbook on page number 47 and 48. Kids, color the pictures very beautifully, okay? Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.